Alright guys, in this lesson I'm gonna demonstrate how we can extract center line of the street of the CAD file in GIS. Okay, let's go to the GIS. Before adding the CAD file in a GIS, as we know, set the spatial reference related to the CAD file in a GIS is one of the important part of mapping components. And in this case, you either need to have coordinate parameters or you need to georeference that I have a coordinate parameters. Let's to set the coordinate parameters. After that, add the CAD file. I will share this CAD file with you, and I suggest you, if you're gonna improve your GIS skill, try to practice all of this lesson step by step. Okay, as we learned before, after add the CAD file in a GIS, we should click on the CAD file, go to the CAD data, try to define the project system for the CAD file. Okay, run it. Project system is defined. After that, export the feature to the geo database. Run it. Our layer is created. I will remove unuseful data of contents pane. Okay. Just know because our coordinate system is set correctly, as you see, the CAD file is lined up in our base map properly. See? Okay. Now, what is our purpose? I gonna extract center line of the street of this layer. How we can do this? As you see, our map is so cluttered, and I gonna make it a little bit streamlined. And for doing this purpose, I mean for doing query on our layer, you need to figure out which layer you're gonna focus on. And I have done it before. Go to the property layer, to the definition query. See, I made a query based on this layer. See? Okay, in this step, I suggest you to avoid crashing during the software process. You export this streamline data as a separate data set. Okay, so let's to select all of the data. Right click, export the feature. For example, data 1. Okay. Now I'm gonna work on this data 1. Let's remove the unuseful layer. Now in this step, I need to convert our polyline dataset to polygon dataset. For this purpose, I'm going to use feature to polygon tools. Feature to polygon. Okay. 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 As you see, our layer is created. Now we need a working area of our location. For doing this purpose, we have a two strategy. Either you can create a polygon around of our location, or we can use of the specific tool that's known as an aggregate. Aggregate. Aggregate polygon in GIS used to combine nearby feature into the larger based on the specific distance. Okay. For example, 100. Okay, it's not enough. Our aggregation distance is not enough. We increase the aggregate distance. Okay, it's enough. Yeah. For better visibility, I'm gonna use the hollow symbol and see, this is our working area, and use the other color. Okay. Now, in this step, in order to extract the street network based on this map, I'm gonna use of the dissolve tool to merge the small blocks to the larger blocks, because as we know, dissolve only work on the polygon. Okay, go to the tools, dissolve, solve the boundaries. Okay. Okay. As you see, all of the boundary related to the previous layer, a small block, merge together and become to the larger block. Okay. Now, in the next step, to extract a street of the aggregated file and dissolve file, we use of the erase tools and use aggregate and dissolve layer. Okay, our file is created. Let's change the color. For the next step, for extract the center line of this polygon, we use of the tools polygon to center line to center line, give the polygon, okay. All of the center line based on this file is created. This is end of this lesson. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and support the channel. And of course, don't forget to practice and follow the steps one by one. Feel free to share your thoughts in comments. And if you have any question or run into any problem, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely reply and I'd be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.